and nutritious. Let's see our ingredients. This is white tur chana grain. It is soaked overnight and cooked in the day for 4 whistles. This is coriander. This is cucumber. This is tomato. This is carrot. This is Korean spinach. This is lemonade or lemon juice, you could say. Chaat masala, salt. Now let's look at recipe for today. All ingredients mix. Then we put lemon juice and chaat masala and then salt. Next one, and it's ready. I'm gonna serve it, and first I'm gonna taste it. It's yummy. Too good. If you liked my recipe and video, you will like it and make it. Bye bye.